Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a comparison of two TWS earphones announced in India for a price of 4,999. We have the Oppo Enco W51 announced recently with active noise cancellation, one of the few devices with active noise cancellation below the 5,000 price segment. And we also have the OnePlus Buds, which is announced along with the OnePlus Nord. So again, extremely popular TWS earphones, again priced 4,999. So we'll be doing a detailed comparison of these two earphones with respect to design, comfort level, the features offered, the battery life, the sound quality, call quality, everything we'll be discussing in this detailed comparison. So if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get started. First up, let's have a look at the design aspect. Now, if you look at the design aspect of the case, as you can clearly see that the OnePlus Buds looks a bit more funkier and good looking, better than the Oppo Enco W31 rather W51. Now, a couple of things here. One is the design itself is good. It's kind of compact instead of the square kind of finishing on the Oppo W51. The OnePlus Buds feels better. So design wise, we feel the OnePlus looks better, the case design looks better. Now opening up, you can see that you can open the OnePlus Buds with just one finger, but the Oppo Enco W51 can't be done that way. You need to use both your hands. So now you can see that in terms of design aspect, definitely the case design definitely looks better on the OnePlus Buds. Now let's see the other aspects. You can see here the case also looks better in terms of the usability on the OnePlus Buds when compared to the W51. Now next, let's take the earphones out. So first, let's talk about the Oppo Enco W51. So these are pretty good looking earphones. You get this matte finishing, and you also get the ear tips included, and the wear detection is also included. Along with that, you also get 3+3 6 microphones are included, especially for noise cancellation. We have the charging ports and the ear tips can also be changed. So the build quality here looks good. It's very comfortable fit. Now we'll come to the comfort aspect later, but these are pretty good looking earphones. Actually feels really nice and kind of unique design in this price segment. Now next, let's talk about the OnePlus Buds. So these are again really great looking earphones, especially this color. The blue color looks really nice, but these does not come with ear tips. So you have just one fitting. Either they are comfortable or they are not, based on how your ears are. So that actually depends upon your ears. So you don't get the option to customize the ear tips. That option is not there. Now here we have a glossy finish. Again, looks pretty good. The color rings around the touch area also looks good. Now you also get 4 microphones, and the wear detection is also included. The charging is at the bottom. So both looks good, but here we feel again this is more of a personal choice. The OnePlus Buds are kind of different looking, especially with this color. Now again, Oppo Enco W51 is also having a unique design. Now next, moving on to the comfort aspect. Now this is one area where things change. Now after using these two earphones for quite some time, what we felt was the OnePlus Buds over a period of time, say like 3 hours continuously, it actually causes some fatigue in your ears, especially you get a bit uncomfortable. Again, these are personal choices. What I feel might not be the same case when you use the earphones, but in my case we felt that the OnePlus Buds were a bit uncomfortable after a prolonged usage. But this is where the Oppo Enco W51 takes the lead. Extremely comfortable, and it fits properly. The fitting is so good that you don't even actually feel they are in your ears. That good comfort factor is provided by the Oppo Enco W51. Now the design of the Oppo Enco W51 with the ear tips is there such a way that it can actually creates a seal inside your ears, so that you also get a passive noise cancellation also included. While on the OnePlus Buds, the noise cancellation is not there. Apart from that, the design is kind of different. It doesn't provide any seal when you are listening to music. So that aspect also has to be considered. Now we are talking about the comfort aspect. So in our testing, the comfort levels are much better on the Oppo Enco W51, and even with prolonged usage, we did not see any sort of issues here. So in terms of comfort aspect, our pick would be the Oppo Enco W51. Now next let's talk about the features and specifications. So both have IP rating. We have IP54 on the W51 while we have IPX4 on the OnePlus Buds. Now additionally we have wireless charging on the W51. That feature is not available on the OnePlus Buds. Now Bluetooth is 5.0 and we have 10 meters of range. Now the drivers are 7mm drivers on the Oppo Enco W51, both having AAC and SBC codec. Now the driver on the OnePlus Buds is a larger one, 13.4mm drivers. Now codec again, as I said before, both supports AAC and SBC. Now next let's talk about the call quality. Now this is one area where both the earphones did an extremely good job. Both were equally good in terms of call quality. We did not have any sort of issues. We could clearly hear what the other person was telling, and even my voice was pretty much clear on both the earphones. So here we feel nothing much to differentiate. Probably if we were to pick one, then probably I would go with the W51, but again not by a huge margin though. Next let's talk about the latency. Now both have the latency control. Both are quite similar in terms of latency as well. Now these are not really extremely suited for gaming, but then when you play games you do feel a bit of latency. Now both have, if you're using Oppo smartphone or OnePlus smartphone respectively, you do get a latency control, but if you're not using the respective brand smartphone, then you don't get that feature. So if you're using a OnePlus smartphone, then for latency the better one would be OnePlus Buds. Similarly, if you are using an Oppo smartphone, Enco W51 makes choice. Now next is the max volume. Here again we feel both have quite good maximum volume, and neither of them were like a winner in terms of the max volume. Both did a really good job. Now next is the sound clarity and the bass performance. So this is one area where these two differ a lot. Now we have been reviewing the Oppo's Enco series. A lot of smartphone, earphones they launched, the W series, the M series. They have been really good in terms of sound quality. Now one good thing about these earphones is that there is active noise cancellation. One of the rarest earphones to come with the active noise cancellation at this price segment, because active noise cancellation is something which is currently available only in say 15K price segment. Now we have 3+3 6 microphones which actually disables the noise, or rather cuts off the noise when you listen to songs. Now when we reviewed, we mentioned that the active noise cancellation actually works. Now this provides a pretty good seal, and the active noise cancellation filters out the hissing sounds, the wind sounds, the fan sounds, the minor sounds around you is filtered pretty well on the W51. So that way the W51 provides a good experience overall. Now if you look at the OnePlus Buds, now OnePlus Buds has one inherent problem. The problem is the seal it provides. It's not a great seal when you put this into your ears, because the lack of buds or ear tips provides a gap between the ears and the buds. So that way noises come inside while you listen to songs. So that's not the best experience here. So in terms of noise cancellation, the Oppo Enco W51 is the better choice, because it has 6 microphones and provides great noise cancellation. Now in terms of sound clarity, now here both the devices provide good audio clarity, but here our pick would be the Oppo Enco W51. We'll tell you why, because Oppo Enco W51 is kind of a more balanced one, because the vocals, the music, the highs and lows are all pretty well balanced, and provides a great clarity overall. The dynamic range is also good. Now these are earphones which are not really suited for higher bass or kind of a punchy bass. That is not the ones Oppo Enco W51 provides. So it is more of a balanced one which provides overall great sound output and noise cancellation. Now if you talk about the OnePlus Buds, so these are more of a tune for bass. The bass is definitely higher here, and if you're a person looking for outright bass, bass and only bass is something which you want to look at, then probably the OnePlus Buds is the better choice, because the bass performance is definitely better here. But having said that, the overall sound quality is not as good as what the Oppo Enco W51 offers. So our choice in terms of the overall sound clarity is definitely the Oppo Enco W51. Couple of reasons. One is the overall clarity, balanced sound quality, and then active noise cancellation, which provides a good seal and great comfort factor as well. So that's the audio clarity. Now both the devices have wear detection, so as soon as you remove the earphones from your ear, you get the option to pause the music. It is automatically done, and when you wear it back, the music starts automatically. Even you can listen to one earbuds at the same time, so that option is also included on both the earphones. Now finally, moving on to the battery life. So this is one area where the OnePlus buds take a massive lead, because with a single charge you can get around 3.5 hours of battery life on the Oppo Enco W51, because active noise cancellation, if you turn on, you get around 3 hours of battery life. But with OnePlus buds you can get almost close to 6.5 to 7 hours of battery life. So it's almost stellar performance in terms of battery life on the OnePlus buds. Now the overall battery life is around 30 hours on the OnePlus buds, while it's around 24 hours on the Oppo Enco W51. Here the battery performance, especially with the noise cancellation turned on, Oppo Enco W51 was not the best out there. So the battery life is definitely better on the OnePlus buds. So now, which one should you buy? Now both are priced 4,999 and offers good options. Now advantage for the Oppo Enco W51 is that it has good noise cancellation, good comfortable fit, then wireless charging is included, then decent experience overall in terms of sound clarity, much better than OnePlus buds. So overall they are great in terms of overall experience. Now where does the OnePlus buds win? OnePlus buds wins in terms of the looks, especially this color, and also the battery life is definitely better here, and it's more of a bass performance than the overall experience. So if you're a person who loves bass, probably the OnePlus buds make sense. So overall, which one should you buy? So if you ask me my personal choice, I would definitely go with the Oppo Enco W51. For me, the comfort factor is the most important aspect, especially when you're listening to songs for a longer period. Comfort aspect is more important than the battery life, because you won't listen to a song say for more than 10 hours at a stretch. So in a way, we feel the Oppo Enco W51 provides better overall audio quality, and also more comfortable than the OnePlus buds, and the noise cancellation is stellar on the Oppo Enco W51. And on top of that, you get these options like wireless charging and IP54 rating, which are definitely not or rather which are better than the OnePlus buds. So our pick would be the Oppo Enco W51. In case you plan to buy any of these, we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can use our link and buy this device. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.